A very good morning, all of you. I am Arunima Abha from BCom Professionals AQ First Sem. Today, I'll be talking about accounting convention and their types, the basic rules that make financial reporting more consistent and trustworthy. So, what is accounting convention? Accounting convention are the unwritten rules or practices that accountants follow while preparing financial statement. It ensures consistency, comparability, and reliability. Like for example, if two accountants are preparing financial statement for the same company, their statement should look similar because they are following the same conventions. So you can say that accounting conventions are the unwritten rules that everyone agrees to follow even if they aren't written in the laws. So there are four types of accounting convention. First is convention of consistency. Second is convention of conservatism. Third is convention of full disclosure. And fourth is convention of materiality. So let's discuss each of the conventions one by one. First is convention of consistency. Now this convention states that the same accounting method should be used every year. Like for example, if a company is using straight line method for depreciation this year, it should continue using the same method every year unless there is a valid reason to change it. This helps in maintaining comparability. But on the other hand, if the method is keeping on changing, it would be impossible to see if the company is actually improving or not. That is why convention of consistency is important. Now the second convention is convention of conservatism. This convention states to record all the expected losses but do not record the expected profits. Like for example, if there is a chance that a consumer is buying goods worth rupees 10,000 but not paying it, then the company creates a provision for doubtful debts. But on the other hand, if a company is expecting a profit in the next month, they don't prepare any account. They prepare at the time when the profit actually happens. So this helps in preventing overstating of the profit and gives a more safer and a cautious view of the financial statement. Now, the next is convention of full disclosure. This convention states that all material facts should be fully and clearly disclosed in the financial statement. Like for example, if a company has any pending lawsuits or any contingent liability, it should show in the footnotes of the accounts so that the users they know that all the possible risk of the businesses. Is you can say that it ensures transparency and nothing important is hidden from the investors or the public. Now, the next is convention of materiality. This convention states only important or significant information should be recorded and trivial or small or insignificant records can be ignored. Like for example, a calculator costing rupees 300 can be recorded as an expense rather than an asset because this is not affecting any decision making and it is not material enough. So you can say that in short, focus on what really matters and skip all those accounting or significant details that can be skipped. That's so in the last accounting convention provides guidance and reliability to accountants. That's all by my side. Thank you.